Hello everyone and everybody, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back my channel Car Technology. Channel Car Technology create video for share about the car information and how to repair car. Also, today I'm very happy and I have one video that I want to share to everyone. This video, yes. For my video today that I want to share to everyone, talk about how to fix code C0215 Lexus 400h. It means that 400h is mean that hybrid. Yes, now please everyone and everybody enjoy. But before I show this video, I describe about the problem symptom. When the code, where the code is when the source is the code, you have the car. When the start engine is we have a lot of the engine warning light. Sorry, we have a lot of warning lights such as ABS warning light, come on, and VSC come on, or you can look at the mistake on the combination method. Yes. Now for fix this code, everyone and everybody can follow by me step by step. Now please enjoy this my video. Okay, so I play for you. This is the code C0215 Rear speed sensor LH.
Hello everyone and everybody, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Today I'm okay, saying so much that everyone and everybody take a time watching or video in my channel. Today I have the one video that I want to show to everyone and everybody about the Lexus 400h. It means that
when the show this, when they have the problem is like this, or this code is have the problem is the code, the combination method is they have the brakes, is it the brake or ABS warning lights, track control warning light, you can like this, and the mistake is the check VSC system. Okay, check VSC system, it means that have the brake system is the problem. Have the problem in the brake system. The brake system or ABS system problem. Now please continue.
The hybrid system, but now the hybrid 400h have the problem ABS or track VRC or brakes warning light. Yes, like this. The case ABS about the track, yes, and about the mistake is check the VSC system. Okay, but now for the analyze this problem, you can connect the LT3 for check the code and analyze. Okay, now please enjoy and watching this code. Now let's go.
Now I just GTS altitude for connected the LT3 for check the code. Yes, check the code. Now it's connecting the vehicles. It's waiting a moment. When the ABS or track VSC system mistake or uploaded, the motion comes 608 order and process next to process the connected record. Now this way processing is running. Now before the connect the ABS, we connect the engine and ECG. Yes, the engine and ECG is a no protocol. It means that the engine is no problem. But now we can go to ABS or VSC, T or C for check the code. Now checking code. Okay, when you enter to ABS, VSC or TOC, okay, you can show the code. This code C0215 Rear speed sensor or has a secret, and C0215 Rear speed sensor LH secret. Yeah. Now when we check the now when we connect the GTS or IT2, E2D, LT3 for connect the car, yeah, enter to ABS or VSC or TOC. Yes, so this code, yeah, this code is no problem, but this code is have the problem. If problem must be to find out the trouble code. Yeah, find out the trouble code. Now it means that C0215 rear speed sensor LH secret. It means that I have the problem of the rear speed sensor LH. Yeah, LH is mean that left hand. Yeah, rear left hand. Okay. Now for Analytic, you can watching this video continue. Now I teach everyone and everybody how to measure the range of the transistor. Yeah, the transistor of the ABS sensor is ohm. Okay, kilo ohm. Yeah. Now please, when you have the problem about the rear speed sensor or has you can now before this measure of the range of the resistance, you can check the fuse before. First time you can check the fuse of ABS, and second you can check the wire and harness, and third, step 3 you can step 1 everyone can check the fuse of the ABS, and step 2 you can check the wires or harness, and connectors of the ABS, and step 3 you can measure of the range of the resistance of the ABS sensor, speed sensor. Now when you measure the resistance about the ABS speed sensor, you can use a multimeter for the measure of the resistance. When you smash the ABS speed sensor, you can show the range. Show the range is 1.211 11 kilo ohm. It means that normal. It's okay, no problem. Yes, no problem. Now please continue. It means that this speed sensor ABS is no problem, it's okay.
อันนี้ก็ตลับอันนี้ยังตลับมันยังดังมาเนี่ย
This is a tape. This is a tape. terminal of
nó bị đau được nhỉ anh
ABS speed sensor.
nơi là đài
Now the
tự
same.
nhiên cái lồng nuôi thì
Okay.
giờ có thôi mà đặt hàng đi với đau được nhỉ anh
Okay.
nè
Same.
nè
The resistance is the same.
dân đặt ấy
Now this ABS speed sensor, yeah, the ABS speed sensor is it okay, but now I show everyone and everybody about the speed sensor have the problem or the broken. Now please watching.
nó đau tì
Yes, when you measure the resistance is zone point, yeah, zone milliohm.
Môn nó mi cả ôm nó xôn vol vào vậy bây giờ cô hôm nay bà nhầm dọn cho lên nhầm đừng
đà là lọt tiền nó giờ
xôn vol
lọt mấy cái nào trong
người đấy người ta phải mi cả ôm
Okay, when the measure, yeah, the range is so like this. When the range is so like this, yeah, it means that the speed sensor ABS you have the problem, abnormal. It's not okay. It means that broken, yeah, because the range is that so is about the mega ohm, but the speed sensor is okay, normal is the the range show is kilo ohm, not mega ohm. Yeah, mega ohm is mean that not okay of the problem, but when you measure show the kilo ohm is okay. Now you can estimate the speed sensor is LHAS or speed sensor LHAS is not okay, is a problem. Okay, now when you saw this range like this,
tao du tí đâu lọc
đi
bạn lọc chiều chứng làm lại biết mà ai chỉ đổ đi
sometimes so zero ohm.
Cái này ọt
Okay, mega ohm.
Same mega ohm đi mà đấy bạn
chào các bạn.
Okay, thank you everyone and everybody, ladies and gentlemen, that are watching my video. When your car have the problem, your car is a Lexus 400h hybrid, have the problem is a check engine warning light or ABS, TRC, VSC or check VSC system warning light. It means that your car is have the problem. Please contact the dealers or contact the color or service soon, and you can fix this problem is by follow this my video that I show to everyone and everybody. Thank you for watching. Yes, I wish you everyone and everybody have the good luck all time. See you on next video. Goodbye.